Welcome all, welcome back to the next part of Weekend F Challenge 51. So in this particular part, we'll be seeing the movie search browser. So it is simple. First, we generate the API key. We use API key, of the OMDB API key portal, and then follow the steps which is here. I've already done it. And then the objective is to build a RCL application that loads the API credentials securely from the environment variables. That is basically env. And then construct dynamic API request URLs using query parameters, and then fetches page generated movie search results from a live REST API. It passes JSON object into Ghost struct, implements an interactive read, evaluation, print loop based on movie browser. It performs deep movie lookups using IMDb IDs. All right. So I'll explain it in simple words. What happens is basically first you enter a search for a movie. Let's say you search for Avengers Endgame. So once you search for Avengers Endgame, if you don't give the exact title, it gives you a few similar results. That is, for example, one is Avengers Endgame, which came in 2019, and then one more is red carpet of that event, and then one more is Infinity War of Avengers, which came before Endgame, and all. So such results would be given again with the ID. So now, if you want more details about Avengers Endgame itself, it would have the ID. It would have had the ID. So just click, copy the ID, paste it, and then you'll get all the details about that particular movie. So I'll show the same example as well to you when I run. So let's get started. So first is data models. We create JSON struct. So basically for the search response, we have the search and the response. So two of them are there. Search is basically a list, and then a response is basically a string. And then you have the movie short. So basically again one structure which is IMDb ID, title, and then the year. So these three things would be given as output when you search for the particular movie. And then once you get the exact movie details, then you have the title, plot, what is the plot of the movie, and then who is the director of that particular movie with the base API, a base URL given. Sorry. Now the entry point is basically I try to load the API. If I get any error, then I say okay, there is an error. API key is missing. If not, then I'll start REPL function with query API key and then the reader. So query is basically again the function for prompt initial search, again for the parameters reader. Then the API key again, as I told, if we try to run the API key, if it runs successfully, then we move to the next step. If not, we say env is missing. I mean the API key in the env is missing. So next function is basically prompt initial search. So what is happening is here we enter CLI movie browser, and then we ask the user to enter a movie, prompt him to enter a movie, and then we trim all the empty spaces in between that, and then we we try to extract the query. If the query is empty, then we say search cannot be empty, exiting the program. Now comes REPL. So basically what was start REPL, here the parameters would be string, API key again which is a string, and then query which is string, API key which is string, and then the reader. Current page is 1. Now for when there is clear screen, we basically start fetching movies, and if there is any error, then we say API error. If not, we continue. So basically if none of the result match to that particular movie, then we say no movies found or end of results. Then we print the results, which is search result, and then a current page, which page is that, and then we quit the program, we exit. Then comes the process command. So here what happens is basically we have a switch case which is lower input. Now if the user enters quit, then we say goodbye, and then we exit the program. If the user enters next, then we increase the current page, we increment it by 1. Then if the user enters previous, then we decrement the current page by 1. If not, then by default we start the IDs with TT. So basically whatever the ID is there, which is TT, if none of these is entered, then we start using TT, and then we display the movie details. If not, then we say invalid command, press enter to continue. Then API and network requests. So basically here add API key, then add query, again then page. So basically now we have to convert the URL. So basically base URL plus whatever the encoded is there with the API key. So this is basic function, then pass it to JSON. If there is any error, then we display the error. If not, then we create okay, fine. So here we have the display movie details function. So how you display the movie details? So you create a clean map of the URL parameters. So first is add API key, then plot, and all these functions, and then we create the required URL, and then we try to execute the request. So basically http.get and then that required URL. If there's an error, then we say network error, and then we print the details saying movie director, plot, and all these things. So all this is basic stuff. That's all. So let me run the program. I'll show you Avengers Endgame only, like I told in the example. I'll just enter Avengers Endgame. So you can see I got a list of Avengers Endgame movies. So okay, so first one is Avengers Endgame 2019, and then red carpet world premiere, then the butt plan, the full movie spoiler review and all. So now it is waiting for these commands. So now what I'll do is I'll enter the ID, which is this, and then I'll paste it. So yeah, you can see now I got the actual movie name. Director is Antonio Russo and Joe Russo. So now we have the plot of the devastating events of Avengers Infinity War, which came in 2018. The universe is now in the ruins due to efforts of the Mad Titan, Thanos, and all these stuff. And now how will Avengers stop it? So this is the main this thing. So enter to return for the search list. Now I'll enter search. Enter. So now I can go to the next page. So I'll click on N. So yeah, no movies were found. Only that's all. Let me submit the program. So if the list kept on going, then I could go to the next page and then search for the this thing as well. If I just enter Avengers, then it would obviously go to the next page because they have so many movies in their franchisee. So the discuss have passed, and that's it for this video. See you next video. Thank you.